Hi, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Python. So first let's open Python. So I've just pinned it to the taskbar so it's easier. And then once you have opened Python, you want to click on File and click on New File to create a new file so you can start writing your code. Then here, I want to show you the first line of code. Like when you're using TurtlePython, every single time you have to put this line of code in the beginning. So you have to say from turtle import and then a star. So Python knows that you're using TurtlePython and not the other Python, since there are two kinds of Python. So once you've put that line, you can do the code like the normal TurtlePython code. So I'm just going to give a small example code. So I'm just going to make like the turtle move forward 50 pixels. So I'm going to say forward and then 50. And then before you run it, you'll have to save it. So to save it, you could either do Control S or click on File and click on Save. And then you can choose a place. So I'm going to put it in desktop. And I've already created a folder called Python. If you want, you can create a folder because it'll be more organized, but you don't have to. I have just already created one, so I'm going to put it in there. And I'm going to name it example. And then make sure it's save as type Python files, and then you can save it. Now to run it, you can click on run and then click on run module. Then these two windows will pop up, and this is the code that has been run. Like this is the run code. So yeah. And now I'm just going to close it. And example, if I do a change, like example, I do okay, I just erased it. Now it shows a star because it hasn't been saved. So now if I say run and run module, it'll ask you this. You have to say okay, so it's saved, and you can like run the code. And so yeah. Now since it's been saved, example, like if you like want to just like close it and do something else and then come back to it, you can just close it. And then to open it, there are two ways to open it. You could either go to the place and then either right click and say edit with idle and then click on the and then click on this, and then it'll open up like that. Or another way is that you can open Python and then you can say file open, and then you can go to that location and then click on it, and then it'll open up like that. So you can do either ways, and then you can just continue working on it. So that's how to use Python. Hope you found this video helpful. We will be posting more videos soon. Keep watching and bye.